4 strange car noises that mean big trouble. Your car is speaking a foreign language, but these 4 sounds translate to expensive problems. Ignore them and prepare for financial pain ahead. Sound 1. Grinding noise when braking means metal on metal contact. Your brake pads wore completely through and rotors are being destroyed. What started as a $150 brake job becomes $800 rotor replacement. Sound 2. Clicking during turns indicates failing CV joints. Front-wheel drive cars develop this problem around 100,000 miles. Ignore it and the joint fails completely, leaving you stranded with a $600 repair bill. Sound 3. Squealing belts under the hood mean imminent failure. Serpentine belts run everything: alternator, power steering, air conditioning, water pump. Belt failure strands you immediately and potentially causes engine overheating damage. Sound 4. Knocking from the engine during acceleration means bearing damage or carbon knock. Both problems lead to complete engine failure costing thousands. Stop driving immediately and call for professional diagnosis. The brutal truth: these sounds give you warning time to fix problems cheaply, but most people ignore them until catastrophic failure occurs. Early intervention saves thousands of dollars consistently.